up? It's Joe with OC Detailing, and we finished the Model Y. This car came in and it had a lot of paint defects in it. You may have seen from our earlier video, we did a full paint correction where we went through and buffed out all the swirl marks, sanding marks, light scratches on this car, and just really brightened up the gloss to as bright as it could get. Right before we matted it out. The way we matted this thing out was we did a full 100% custom XPEL Stealth wrap. After that, we finished it off with CQuartz Finest Reserve on all the film, the wheels, the glass, the trim. Basically every surface of this car got protected. Now it looks awesome and all cool and stealthed out. It's gonna be a really unique look that'll stay that way for years. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OC Detailing. Please subscribe for more videos.